We have all been there. Your phone rings, it's total unknown number, and you are stuck playing the guessing game. Do you answer it and risk a scam call or ignore it and miss something important? I used to deal with this constantly until I started using ReverseLookup. It's a smart digital verification tool designed to bring transparency back to your phone, helping you make safer, more informed decisions before you pick up or text back. Let me show you how simple it is to use. The platform features a clean, user-friendly interface that doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary steps. All you do is copy the mystery number that called you, head over to reverse lookup, paste it into the search bar and hit search. Within seconds, it queries publicly available records to help identify the unknown caller. You get quick results with minimal effort, showing you public details tied to the number so you instantly know who or what you are dealing with. Beyond standard caller identification, this is a practical everyday tool for so many personal scenarios. Think about it. If you are buying something second-hand off an online marketplace, connecting with a seller, or dealing with unexpected missed calls, it's always better to know who's on the other side. It's a simple tool for identifying unknown numbers that gives you peace of mind, helps you avoid unwanted spam or potential phone scams, and keeps your personal communication safe. Now let's talk about the pricing, because Axis is surprisingly affordable. If you want to test out the platform and see how it works for yourself, ReverseLookup is currently offering a $1 trial offer for initial access. It's a low-risk, super accessible way to explore all the features without making a big upfront commitment. Overall, ReverseLookup is a practical and reliable resource that I think everyone should add to their digital toolkit. It takes the guesswork out of unknown calls, helps you stay safer online, and makes managing your daily phone privacy effortless. If you want to build a better digital safety habit, I definitely recommend giving it a shot. Check out my full reverse lookup review details and grab $1 trial using the link in the description below. And my dear friends, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next videos.